Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a kind of neutral look for you all. This is pretty simple, pretty everyday wearable. If you're interested in seeing how I get this look, then keep on watching. So for today's look, I'm going to be starting from my Morphe palette. I'm taking the 350 palette, and I am going to be starting with this color here on a real fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using that in my crease. So I'm going to take that and place it on. So once we've gotten our first shade down, or our transition shade, I'm going to move into something darker. I'm going to take this color here on the edge on a Morphe M506 brush. You take it and you tap it in. This is a very small blending brush that allows you to very precisely put your colors down. So I'm going to take that, I'm just kind of patting it in. And I want to stay really in this little general area on my eye, creating like a little C shape. And you want to take that in. Once you have packed it on and got enough color, you'll blend out the edges. To make sure these two transition well into each other, you want to switch back and forth between the first brush you use to place your transition shade and your second brush. So take your larger, fluffier brush, and if you need to, go back into the product, get some on the edge and take it right at the top, or blend these two together until you've gotten the color payoff that you like. Okay, so to move on to the eyelid and to prepare for our colors, I'm going to just kind of carve out the area. I need something light since my crease color is so dark. I'm going to take this concealer by LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the shade Toffee. My Anastasia brush, number 3. Concealer on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use that to carve out the lid space. It is a little easier to look down while you're doing it, so that way you can kind of stretch out your eyelid space and you avoid creasing or transferring. The edges of this will be blended down, so I don't really focus too much on the end here. Alright, so once this has dried down, I want to say about a minute or so, we're going to go in again with that dark brown shade we used in our crease, and we're going to use that to blend the edge. So you're going to take it and blend it towards your concealer. I'm kind of going along my lash line too, just to give it a little bit of a smoky effect. Alright, once we've got that blended out, I will move on to my actual lid color. I'm taking an old palette by Wet n Wild. This is the Comfort Zone palette, and I'm going to use these two greens here on my lid area. So I'm going to take this one first and apply that with a eyeshadow brush. eyes are complete, I've already put on my liner. Man, getting liner to match up is legit harder than what I do for a living. I'm gonna use these 3D foam ink lashes that I got from the hair store in the style EDL11, and then once I got these on, I will be speeding through my foundation routine. Look how lashes just transform your entire look. I mean, alright, so while I was putting my lashes on, I felt like my eyes weren't doing enough for me. If you want to leave it like this is a little bit more neutral, more subtle. But me personally, I like to have the extra highlight here under my brows. So what I did was I took a light shade here, and this is on the same brush that I used to blend out my first color. And I just put it under my brow bone to kind of give it a little bit more highlight. And I'm going to blend that into my transition shade. This gives me the perfect like little bit of oomph that I look for in my makeup. And it kind of accentuates my brows and just ties everything together. So alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more content. I hope that you enjoyed today's look. I may be doing a bit much with the wig and the look, but somebody's got to do it. So, you know, I'll take that for the team. Alright guys, bye.